New from Tie Down Safety, the TranzCart.
Installing your TranzCart kit is child's play.
The TranzCart kit was designed to easily adapt to our roof zone cart. With ease of installation, the TranzCart only takes a few minutes to set up, then you're ready to go to work. After your TranzCart kit is in position, lower your T-bar handle to secure the brake. In just a matter of minutes, the TranzCart kit can be loaded with 11 rails and 12 bases. The TranzCart can fit either 10-foot rails or 7.5-foot rails.
After the TranzCart is loaded, it's ready to roll.
Once the work is completed, the guardrails can be removed by either rigging the TranzCart or using the stack pallet for easy storage. Handling is made easier because our base plates only weigh 58 pounds, 40% lighter than the competition.
Tie down, manufacturing ingenuity.